Everyone, this is a short meditation to support your power down hour for deep relaxation and sleep. And it's so nice to meet you. My name is Kara Kelno, founder of Soul House Chicago, an intuitive Reiki healing company that focuses on one-on-one healings as well as trainings to deepen your intuition. Let's get started. If you have an Asutra product, a favorite one, please go ahead and use it. I recommend the Yoga Mat Detox, just giving that a couple of sprays to breathe in the aromatherapy of lavender. Taking a couple of deep breaths in and out. And then make yourself comfortable. It's perfectly fine to take your meditation in bed. In fact, it's recommended. And take a couple of wiggles from side to side, just creating some gentle rocks in the body. And then invite that to get a little bit slower. Finding your center point. And if you're lying down in bed, just gently press the back of your head to the pillow, a little tuck of your chin in. Go ahead and close down your eyes and send your internal gaze up and into the brow line. Take a full breath in, and an open mouth exhale out. Letting go, breathing in, fill up. Open mouth, sigh that out. Let's do that 2 more times. Inhale. And that full exhale, releasing all of the air out, getting completely empty. And then a final one like that, breathing in, filling all the way up, and exhaling out completely. And as your exhale finishes, seal your lips and begin to breathe through your nose, just tuning into the natural rhythm of the breath. Breathing in and breathing out. Inhaling, expanding. Exhaling, letting go. And inviting the mind and everything that happened in your day to take the back burner so that the front of the focus becomes the breath. The inhale in and the exhale out. Like you're so curious about the breath. Noticing what you take in and what you let go. And notice where your body expands as you breathe in and where it contracts as you exhale out. Taking your gaze and your focus further and further within the self and letting the breath guide you there. Breathing in, letting go. Inhaling, expanding. Exhaling, releasing. And noticing the crescendo of the breath as it starts on the ground floor. The new breath begins and builds like a mountain reaching the peak. And as it exhales, it carries down the mountain until it reaches the beginning point again. Inhaling in the ascension, the crescendo of the breath. Exhaling out the release, the surrender. Inhaling light and positive thoughts. Exhaling out the dark and surrendering, letting go. Feeling ease in the mind, body, and spirit. Each breath you take takes you deeper and deeper into the self. And each breath you take out, you fully release that which is not yours. Inhaling in trust for your peaceful sleep. Exhaling out and letting go. And you're welcome to continue here, breathing on your own. And if you liked this content, please go ahead and follow Asutra's channel and like us. And if you're interested in more intuitive healing, Reiki, or training methodologies, please find me, Kara Kelno, at soulhousechicago.com. Rest and sleep well. Thank you.